Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video we will start our network scanner tool. So actually the first thing that we should do, as I said before, we need to actually create our ARP request. And to do this, actually we will use a library. So import scapy.all as scapy. So we are using scapy when we are working with networking. So each time when you will work with networking, you will use this scapy. So if you don't have scapy installed, just use pip install and scapy, and it will install for you. I have it installed, so I will not install it. And the next thing that we should do, we need to import socket, so to get connection with our targets. And so let's start to create our ARP request. So define a function with scan as scan, and we will take an argument, and this argument will be our IP. So ARP request. So how to build ARP request? So it's pretty easy to build. So we will use our library scapy. So scapy.arp, and our packet destination will be our IP that we will specify. So I mean, IP is not our, but IP of our target network. So I will show you how to understand what is network IP if you are not familiar with networking. So now we need to create a broadcast. So broadcast and is equal scapy either, and our destination is, as I said before, our destination is only FF, and FF. So this how broadcasting is looks like. So our program will make a request to each host in our network, and if we will get a response from these hosts, that means that those hosts are alive. If we don't, that means that this host is not alive, and so on. So now we need to build our packet that we will send. So we will send our broadcast, and our ARP request. And we will get an answer, yeah? So we will get a response from our targets. So now we need to use scapy srp packet timeout. So why do we use timeout? We are using timeout to make sure that our program will not stuck. So what do I mean? If our target will not respond in 1 second, that means that this target is not alive, and our program should go forward to another host. So pretty easy. So if we didn't get a response in 1 second, that means that this target is not alive. So verbose is false. And we will take a first line from our response. As you remember, in programming, we are using, we actually start counting from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So to grab a first line from our response, we will use a 0 here. So yeah, that's how to create actually your IRP request. And in the next video, we will actually continue to create our actually scanner. And yeah, hope to see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.